How to log in Grab merchant account. If you wish to log in to a Grab merchant account, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Grab merchant app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now first of all, if you have not yet registered, you can register for a merchant account by tapping the sign up button there. After that, make sure to select your correct country where your business is located. Then tap the login button. Enter the username that you used during the sign up process and enter your password. If your details are correct, when you tap on login, you will be able to successfully log in. If you forgot your username or either your password, you can select that and you can enter the email or username that was associated and reset it. You can also log in by phone number by tapping on login with phone, enter the phone number and tap the login button. And after the verification is completed, you will be successfully logged in to your Grab merchant account. This way you can log into Grab merchant account, and I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.